The number one source for listings right now, the number one source for you to get listings in your local market is from local attorneys. Now, I know you're thinking, well, how would I get with them? How do I say the right things? How do I get those referrals? You got to remember, when people are going through life changes, that's when they're going through a housing need change. If they're getting married or they're getting divorced. If they have a baby or someone dies, right? A birth or a death. They get a promotion or they get laid off. These life changes are the reason that they generally have a housing need change. I actually just recorded this morning, I'm going to give you free access to this. I just recorded a training on how you get local attorneys to refer business to you. Exactly how to get their contact information, what you say, how you meet with them, all of that information, so that you can start picking up business not only once, and not to get a little surge of 3 or 4 listings, but to do this consistently month after month. Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.